from Electrical Department, SIIT College Bhopal. Today I am discussing about cylindrical coordinate system, which is the part of electromagnetic theory. So here we consider a cylinder. The axis of the cylinder is on z-axis. We consider here xy z-axis, in which z-axis axis of the cylinder is on z-axis. The axis of the z-axis, which is making a radius of r, which is constant in all direction. So here we obtain r constant, radius constant with z-axis. We consider another plane in xy z-axis. The faces of the plane is with z-axis, which is rotate around the z-axis, with making phi angle. This angle is constant in all direction. So phi constant, this vertical plane perpendicular to the xy plane. Another plane we consider on z-axis, which is constant on all the points. So we obtain here z constant. So these all constant, r constant, phi constant and z constant, all plane we are taking together. So we obtain here all the parameters of phi, r, phi, z in this form. So cylindrical intersection of these all the planes in cylindrical form, we obtain common point P, r, phi, z. This P point is intersect with each other in the points, and this point is common point P obtained r, phi, z. This is the constant value we obtain r, phi, z in cylindrical coordinate system. Thank you, sir.